If you're watching this, you know you're in Antra's Zook. And today we are gonna make Bhapa Doi. After all of you have made the matka dahi, and I have seen each and every picture which was sent to me, I feel it is time to up the game here. And if there are people who haven't seen the matka dahi recipe yet, you can get it on the link above or in the description box below. But this recipe can be made with store-bought dahi as well. So let's start. This is an apparatus which is going to make our hung curd, which is nothing but we are gonna take out the water from the curd that we have set. Now, if you have made matka dahi, there will be very less water because the matka will absorb a lot of water while it rests in the refrigerator. Now, like this, I'm gonna leave the curd hanging, quite literally so, for about an hour or 2 hours. Let it just chill in the room temperature. You don't have to put it in the refrigerator for some time. Now, by the magic of television, we are back after an hour and look what a thick set curd we've got. I have not discarded the water. The water can be used to make gravies. Now, the actual recipe part is extremely simple. All you do is whisk the curd vigorously to get it lump free and add 2/3 cups of condensed milk. Mix it again so that there are no lumps and the mix is beautifully emulsified. Now, just to lighten it up, I'm gonna add a pinch of salt and another 1/4 cup of non-hung curd. So this is just normal curd which I've taken out of the matka and I've put in. Again, whisk it well. For making this dish, we need a tight-fitting tiffin box. You need to have a good cover on it. It should not fly away. Now, just to prepare the pan, all you need to do is brush off some ghee. This is just to ensure that everything comes out beautifully, as you will see in the later part of the video. Also, the ghee would give a little bit of color and a lot of flavor, but you can definitely use a flavorless oil instead of ghee. Now pour over the curd mix and tap and shake properly so that we eliminate any air bubbles. This would definitely ensure a much better looking product. Now comes the trickiest part. Steaming this curd. We will start with a cold steamer with about an inch of water. It's completely cold right now. I will carefully lower the tiffin box down on the strainer part and then cover it with a towel. This is just to ensure that the tiffin box doesn't move while it's cooking. Now put the steamer on medium heat for 35 minutes. Switch off the flame and don't touch it. Let it cool to room temperature. Once it's cold, take out the tiffin box of the steamer. Let it cool completely and then put it in the refrigerator overnight. This would set the curd perfectly. Demolding the Bhapa Doi is going to be easy because of the ghee that we have used. Now cut it into desired shapes. I went for the squares because, I don't know, I felt like. Drizzle on some date syrup or maple syrup or any other syrup that you have and enjoy. This is a khatta meetha dessert and it makes perfect sense. If you have watched us till here, then do like this video. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such amazing recipes. Let me know in a comment below what do you think about us. Cheers!